Welcome to AIStockApp training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use GIFs, stickers, and animated text sections in AIStockApp. Go to left menu and click on GIF. Now you are in the GIF section. You can search GIFs by keyword. And your search results are here. You can download it. For stickers, go to the left menu and click on Stickers. Now you are on Stickers section. You can search all stickers by keyword. And all of your search data is here. You can download it. For animated text, go to left menu and click on Animated Text. Now you are on Animated Text. You can search animated text by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can download it. Thanks for watching the video.